Dr. Justine Belfi, and this is Goodland Chiropractic's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a stretch that is all about wrist pain, and people suffering from carpal tunnel really benefit from this stretch. What happens is that they're suffering right here, but the reality is that all of the muscles here control our hands and fingers, and it's an area that gets a lot of repetitive use. And so I wanted to give you guys a couple things that you can do on your own. It won't always fix the problem entirely, but we can give a lot of relief and get some increased range of motion by doing some specific stretching. So today I'm going to teach you phalanx and reverse phalanx, and I'm going to give you just an extra stretch because that might not be enough of a stretch for you based on where you're at. Don't go ahead of where you are. Just stay within where you're comfortable, okay? So it shouldn't cause any sharp shooting pain, but you should feel a decent stretch. The first one, phalanx, you're going to put your wrists together, you're going to pull your shoulder blades down. I don't want you all the way up here, so keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Your wrists are going to come together. What you don't want to do is have it like this, where they're starting to pull apart. You want the wrists all the way together, fingers are pointed down, which is your cue that the elbows come down. So you want to go down for as far as you can without pulling your hands apart. And this should feel a good stretch along the tops of your forearms. Now, switch it up as if you were going into prayer. Fingers are pointed upwards, so your elbows are going to follow the same track. And you should feel an equally good stretch on the opposite side of your forearms. Now, maybe you don't feel anything in these stretches because this is already where your range of motion lies. So you're going to get more stretching by grabbing your fingers with the palm side and straighten your elbow out. Pulling down just enough to where you can feel that really good stretch along here. And then you can rock your fingers from side to side, which is going to give an increased stretch for different muscles on the inside and the outside of the forearm. Now, it's really important for both of these that you do both sides. So if you're doing this one, make sure that you get to do both sides equally. 10 seconds to 30 seconds, somewhere in that range, and you want to just slowly build up from there. Now, if you have been diagnosed with carpal tunnel syndrome, or you think that this is something that you might have, or you just have wrist pain, please come and get a complimentary initial exam and join us for our free educational class in February that is all about carpal tunnel and wrist pain. Also, if you've not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, I recommend that you do so now so that you don't miss any of these awesome videos where you could learn something that might help you, even if it's just a little bit. Happy holidays, guys, and I look forward to seeing you next time.